Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're looking to find the average mean of the number of seeds per apple as marked by this histogram. So how do we go about finding that? Well, the average is going to be the total seeds divided by the total number of apples. So, firstly, the easier thing to find is the number of apples. So we have, for 3 seeds, we have 2, so that's 2 apples, plus 0 apples, plus for 5, there's 4 more apples, so plus 4. 6 seeds, we have another 1 apple, and then another 2 more here. 8 gives us 0, and then 9 seeds gives us 3 more apples. So you have 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. We have 12 apples in total. Now, the total number of seeds might be a little bit trickier until you think, okay, so we have 2 apples that have 3 seeds each. So that means there's going to be 2 times 3, or 6 seeds for these apples. And you can go through for each one and say, okay, there's 2 times 3 for 3 seeded apples. There's no apples here, so 0 times 4, right? Makes sense. There's no seeds for 0 apples. For apples with 5 seeds, there's 4 apples with 5 seeds each, so we have 4 times 5. We have 1 apple with 6 seeds, so that's 1 times 6. We have 2 apples with 7, so there's going to be 2 times 7 apples between them. 0 with 8 is going to give us 0, and then I'll write it over here so we don't run out of room. There are 3 apples with 9 in them, which is going to give us 3 times 9 more seeds. So this is going to give us 27 plus 6 plus 20 plus 6 plus 14. If you add those all up, we have 73 total seeds between these 12 apples. So just seeing which of is the closest to, 4, 5, 6, 7. 73 divided by 12 is not a whole number, so it's going to be close to one of these, but it's not going to be equal to one of these. So 73 is equal to 72 plus 1 over 12, which means this is 72 over 12 plus 1 over 12. 72 over 12 is 6 plus 1/12. So it's between 6 and 7, but 6 and 1/12 is a lot closer to 6 than 7, so 6 is going to be your final answer.